Oh, loads of people want to install LED lights, but don't know how to do that properly, and they don't like error on the car screen. In the car system, because LED lights taking much less power than normal light bulbs, and that's why they take out the LED lights and put back normal halogen bulbs, or just don't wanna use LED lights. They like how they looks, but they worry about the error. That's why I show how to install it in SKODA car in a very easy way. All what you need, that is load resistors, or these small plates, 2 pieces. How you see on the both sides is 1 piece. Next, what you need to do, find some place where to connect them, because you can't stick it on the plastic or where is some wires, because they will burn off everything. In SKODA car, from the side there is a small holes. I don't drill extra holes, I just use original holes what was inside of the car, use screws with nuts and everything else. And plus I take something like a holder, I don't know, sorry for my English, I don't know how it called correct, but okay, I will call it like a holder, steel holder, and connected this load resistor to steel holder, and after I connected to car steel, how it calls, car body. Okay, and what I do next, from load resistors coming wires, maybe in that side will be brighter. Yeah, how you see they're coming out wires, which one need to connect to LED bulb, and I will show you how I do that. It's very hard to get it out now, but okay, I will try. 1 second. Hey, man, how to get it out now? Oh. Now look at this. How I do? I take this plastic cup, which close the light bulb. How to take it out? How you can see, I make in the middle hole just for cables. I take that cables from this side to another side, connect them. Maybe you see tape. All that cables is connected, and put on this plastic cover from both sides hot glue. It is for something for sealing and protection from water and dust or dirt, to don't let go in the light, all dirt and water. After what you need, just put inside new LED. How you see, I have a LED light. Connect wires, and really that's it. That's all what you need to do. Just need find some way, some place where you can connect load resistor to car body, because need be very careful. If load resistor will touch some cables, or for example, like there is in this side is loads of plastic everywhere around, if they will contact with plastic or wires, be sure all that will burn, because they are terribly hot when your light's working. Now I will show you results. Need to switch on the car. Say hello for my doggy. Yeah, nice doggy. And there is my own error, that is from backlight, don't worry about this. How you see, is no errors, nothing. I switch on lights. Lights is now working. How you can see, still this time is no errors. Now we're going back to the front. And you can see there is a white light. It's not like the original one. It's white, it's really white. On another side is the same. And now what you need to do, that is install this load resistor. It gets warm. For now it's just a little bit warm, but after some 2 minutes it will be very hot. And with this load resistor you will be able to drive without any errors, because if you don't install this load resistor, you will see on your board check right light, check left light. Every time, each time will be error. And that is a pretty easy way how to install it. Just like I say before, make sure you don't touch any cables, any wires or any plastic, because they need to be connected only to car body. Okay, I hope this my small video helped for someone, and someone soon will be able to enjoy with white LED lights.